Hey guys, this is 18-2. Welcome back to an episode of Dan the Demo Man. In the last part, I failed miserably. In this part, I will hopefully fail less miserably. I mean, succeed. Definitely succeed. Got a few seconds to my third attempt at Skeletron Prime. Well, this time you can see I don't have fireworks in the one place I wouldn't be able to fire them, and I have fireworks to either side, and I guess the intro is now over. Okay, just gotta get this right. Good. I eliminated one. Okay, I nearly eliminated 3 of the hands. Oh, right. Off camera, I got the last. I can put my buffs on. I got the last frost core I needed to make the frost armor. So I figure Frostburn will be a little bit useful. Oh, that's the bomb launcher. I thought the other one was a bomb launcher. It's a skull. Oh, and I got a Crimson Heart finally. Alright, let's Mega Shark this. I may as well use my magic since I have the magic potions. Yeah, this is working significantly better. It helps when you can start by eliminating 2 of the limbs and almost eliminating the third, or a third. There you are. Yeah, the Frostburn from the Frost Armor lasts for quite a while. I mean, yes, I'm reapplying it all the time, but still. I did equip the right accessories, didn't I? I mean, it doesn't matter at this point. I have actually nearly won, and it's not even 10 PM. And even better, if I recall correctly, Skeletron Prime... Oh, right, that's why I wanted the Heart Reach potions. When I was doing the off-screen prep, I was like, I wanted Heart Reach potions, but I don't remember why. Maybe it has something to do with my heart generators. I would like to destroy the bomb launcher, but I think Skeletron Prime himself is just a better target for me right now. Oh right, magic power potions, may as well. Shots with my Onyx Blaster. Boom, that's a dead Skeletron Prime. And I got the trophy. Oh yes, I also did some reforging, which I'm sure helped. I mean, the Onyx Blaster was already ruthless. But I boosted my Mega Shark. And my repeater, which I didn't use there. I also decided that the Mushroom Spear really needed a speed upgrade, given that it's my Pokey Stick. Alright, so first things first. quick stack all that. Next, here we go. Skeletron Prime treasure bag. Here we go. Not really anything exciting to say there. Oops. Beyond getting the second mechanical cart piece and getting the souls of fright, which actually, come to think of it, let me take 5 of those, 5 of those, and just throw them in there. Because to get the Avengers emblem, I need 5 of each. I'm gonna need 2 Avengers emblems. So I'm gonna actually 10. Okay, I need hallowed bars for the Pumpkin Moon Medallion. I kind of want to get a hallowed repeater, but I'm so close to getting the pickaxe axe. Let's see, how many do I need for that? I need 18. So how many hallowed bars do I have to play with? I have 88 hallowed bars. Wait, what am I missing? Supposedly, the best way to make money from the hallowed bars is to make light discs. Okay, they take souls of light. Makes sense. But I don't think I'm going to do that just yet. I'll probably just save them for Pumpkin Moon medallions later. Yeah. Oh, what else can I do with Souls of Might? Because, I mean, I got a lot of those. It's just the light disc is the only real repeatable thing. Yeah. Let me dump those off. Let's get the Skeletron Prime trophy in the trophy room. Well, I say trophy room, it's not technically a room, because it doesn't have doors. Also, I'm gonna want these. Alright. That's Eye of Cthulhu? Yep, Eye of Cthulhu. Queen Bee should probably go there. Then Brain of Cthulhu should go there. Skeletron should go there. Come to think of it, I could fight Skeletron. I mean, not at this point, it's almost daytime. And that's it for the pre-hard mode bosses. So then I have Destroyer, Skeletron Prime, and the twins will go there. I have no idea who I'm gonna want to live in the trophy room. Anyway, I also did a ton of grinding off camera. Did some fishing. I got 2 lucky horseshoes. So, I mean, I could attach it to the Sharkron balloon, but I already have wings. So, yeah. Wow, that actually... The ginger beard doesn't do anything for me. So, I'm just gonna sell it for 8 gold. Hardy saddle sells for 5. My 12 forbidden fragments sell for 12. The lucky horseshoe isn't really worth much. Got my 2 mechanical eyes. Also, I got a truffle worm, so I could fight Duke Fishron. It'd be a terrible idea, but I could do it. So let's get all that. So, as I was saying, frost armor. Frost armor is great. Super absorbent sponge. Oh! Oh, I know what that is. I know what that is. It's basically a permanent empty bucket. That is situationally useful. I think I'm just gonna throw it with a random equips. I realize I don't need my keys on me anymore. Now that I have frost armor, I don't need the titanium armor, because compare the shadow dodge is always good, but I'm not good at this game, so getting the additional frostburn would be really nice. Oh, yes, I got a Contaminator. I think I mentioned that last time. I should use the Contaminator on that other ocean. Why that specific ocean? Because I already have a teleporter over there. Although I don't need to do that, because in addition to having the Contaminator, I still have a bunch of wire. I do think I need 2 stacks, though. Oh boy! I didn't mean to buy that. Well, I just lost 16 gold for no reason. Anyway, mechanics fishing rod. I don't know how that gets unlocked, but obviously I unlocked it. Wait a second. I already have a teleporter most of the way there. Ooh. Yeah, I probably should grab that. And actually I need that on my hotbar. That I don't need. Come on. So that will lead me Oh shoot, no, I need a switch. 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 So the switch will go here. I wish I had an explosive... Wait, all explosives are wall piercing. Ignore what I didn't say. So, this will be the green... do it. Oh, I haven't harvested that meteorite. I could get money. Alright, skipping over the desert. Uh-oh. Did I go too far? Yep. You know, when you think about it, how many times do I wind up screwing myself over just out of cockiness? The answer is every time. Oh, actually, I don't need this there anymore. Oh, really? What's going on with my game there? Gonna try to be a little smarter this time. I like Frostburn a lot. Continuing on. Alright, so 1 p.m. Oh, I could have been doing that the whole time. I really hope I have enough wiring for this. And I do. I do need to expand my fishing hut. if I want my teleporter Oh, that's... Explosions are fun. Alright, so I need to make this a little bit bigger. And it needs to hook up there. That can be cut. I don't remember squids. Oh, yes I do. They drop black ink. And I did not pick up a second switch. Well, back to the dungeon this way then. Actually, no, I might be able to do it this way. As long as I didn't screw up as badly as I think I did. Alright, so that goes down. That goes there. That goes back there. Then a gray pressure plate here. And one of those. Alright. We need a switch. Okay. There's a switch. Now I need to stand on this part and then put a switch there. No, not there. Why can't I put a switch there? No, really, why can't I put a switch there? Okay. Oh, I can't put a switch there because I still had the pressure plate there. That would do it. I need to expand this a little bit more. There we go. Now I can shoot things that are in the water. Ooh. Well, now I have an easy way to the ocean. I have a very unsecure fishing hut. Most importantly, I killed Skeletron Prime. So, therefore, today was a success. I should clear all that out. And then I just need to do my arena setup, and then I'll be ready to take on the twins. The twins should be an easier fight. Simply because there are only 2 targets instead of 5. Anyway, according to my recording timer, that will have to wait for next time. Also, it would be boring to watch me place like 200 fireworks. So, for now, this has been 18-2, and I will see you guys next time.